What do you understand by concept of passing reason or speaking order? What is the object of it? Ans. A speaking order means which is self-explanatory and is speaking for itself. It precisely means an order, which lays down the reasons and grounds on the basis of which it was passed. Importance of recording of reasons. The reasoned decision facilitates the exercise of appellate or revisional powers, acts as deterrent against arbitrary exercise of powers, and gives satisfaction to the party against whom order is made. If administrative authority is allowed to keep its errors off the record by not writing reasons, the whole concept of judicial review would be meaningless. In order to maintain and uphold rule of law, it is necessary that in all administrative and quasi-judicial actions, the requirement of a reasoned decision must be implied unless expressly excluded. Object. The condition to record reasons introduces clarity and excludes arbitrariness and satisfies the party concerned against whom the order is passed. Today, the old police state has become a welfare state. The governmental functions have increased, administrative tribunals and other executive authorities have come to stay, and they are armed with wide discretionary powers, and there are all possibilities of abuse of power by them. To provide a safeguard against the arbitrary exercise of powers by these authorities, the condition of recording reasons is imposed on them. If the statute requires recording of reasons, then it is the statutory requirement and, therefore, there is no scope for further inquiry. But even when the statute does not impose such an obligation, it is necessary for the quasi-judicial authority to record reasons, as it is the only visible safeguard against possible injustice and arbitrariness and affords protection to the person adversely affected. Reasons are the links between the materials on which certain conclusions are based and the actual conclusions. They disclose how the mind is applied to the subject matter for a decision, whether it is purely administrative or quasi-judicial. They should reveal a rational nexus between the facts considered and the conclusion reached. The courts insist upon disclosure of reasons in support of the order on three grounds. 1. The party aggrieved has the opportunity to demonstrate before the appellate or revisional court that the reasons which persuaded the authority to reject his case were erroneous. 2. The obligation to record reasons operates as a deterrent against possible arbitrary action by executive authority invested with judicial power, and 3. It gives satisfaction to the party against whom the order is made. The power to refuse to disclose reasons in support of the order is exceptional in nature, and it ought to be exercised fairly, sparingly, and only when fully justified by the exigencies of an uncommon situation.